we start unit 3, and unit 3 has a important topic. This is the join operation. uh, the join operation is basically merging a two or more than two tables and show data in a one frame. Here the first thing, the SQL joins. There are multiple types of join in the SQL, but here we discuss only three types of join, and additional natural join is also discussed. The SQL joins such as inner join, left join, right join, full join, natural join. These joins are fundamental tool for combining data from multiple tables in a relational database. For example, consider two tables where one table, say a student table, has a student information and ID is a key. Here key means where ID is tagged with a primary key, tag as a primary key, and our primary key tagged. Why tagged primary key? Because if we want to make a column a unique, we can uh, tag a primary key with those columns. And other tables such as marks table has information about marks of every student ID. Good. So I take two table. The one table is a student and another table is a student marks table. Now to display the marks of every student with name, we need to join these two tables. First we discuss an inner join table. The inner join keyword select all rows from both tables as long as the condition is satisfied. This keyword will create the result set by combining all rows from both the tables where the condition satisfied. That is, value of the combination field will be the same. You can see in the picture table A and table B. The most common feature from both tables are selected. Good. For example, in a join a query, we can write a query: select a student select a student course ID and a student name, a student age from a student. Inner join a student course on a student roll number equal to a student course dot roll number. Here in this query, we select two tables. The first table is a student course. So here a student table, and a student table one attribute is a course ID. The second is a name. Third is a age. We select the three attributes from a student and write a inner join keyword a student course on a student roll number equal to a student course dot roll number. यहाँ पर हम ये देखेंगे कि हमने दो टेबल सेलेक्ट किए हैं. पहला टेबल हमने लिया है स्टूडेंट कोर्स का और दूसरा टेबल हमने लिया है स्टूडेंट का. और स्टूडेंट और स्टूडेंट कोर्स इन दोनों टेबल को हम मर्ज कर रहे हैं. और टेबल को जो मर्ज कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ पर जो दो कॉमन फील्ड होंगे उनके थ्रू हम मर्ज करेंगे. तो यहाँ पर कॉमन फील्ड कौन सा है? कॉमन फील्ड, कॉमन एट्रीब्यूट दोनों में है रोल नंबर. तो रोल नंबर स्टूडेंट कोर्स के जो रोल नंबर होंगे और स्टूडेंट टेबल के जो रोल नंबर होंगे, दोनों टेबल के जो रोल नंबर होंगे वो आपस में मर्ज होंगे और इसी बेस पर हम टेबल को इनर ज्वाइन में मर्ज करेंगे, जैसा कि हम पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं. The next is a SQL left join. A left join returns all rows from the left table along with matching rows from the right table. If there is no match, null values are returned for column from the right table. Left join is also known as a left outer join. लेफ्ट आउटर ज्वाइन में हम ये देख सकते हैं कि लेफ्ट ज्वाइन रिटर्न्स ऑल रोज फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट टेबल. मीन्स कि हमने दो टेबल लिए हैं, टेबल ए और बी. तो लेफ्ट ज्वाइन में जो टेबल ए होगा हम पिक्चर में भी देख रहे हैं कि टेबल ए है तो टेबल ए के सारे रोज सेलेक्ट होंगे और टेबल बी के वैसे रोज जो टेबल ए से मैच होंगे वही कॉलम सेलेक्ट होंगे, वही रोज सेलेक्ट होंगे। नल वैल्यूज आर रिटर्न फॉर काउंट फ्रॉम द राइट टेबल, और जहां पर वैसे फील्ड जो मैच नहीं होंगे उसके जगह पर बाय डिफॉल्ट वहां पर नल वैल्यू इंसर्ट होगा। कौन करेगा? हमारा डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम। Okay, the left join is also known as a left outer join, and you can write a query. Here we can take a two table. First is a student table and second is a student course table, and we select two attributes from a student's table and course table. The student table attribute is a name and a student course attribute is a course ID. Okay, and left join a student course roll number equal to a student roll number. So here we can merge. So here we merge a student roll number is a common field from both table. Next is right join. The right join returns the rows of the table on the right side of the join and matching rows for the table on the left join on the left side of the join. It is a very similar to left join for the rows for which there is no matching rows on the left side, and result set will be contain a null. Right join is also called a right outer join. This is a similar as a left outer join, but difference is that left outer join uh, select all rows from table A, but here here right join we select all rows from a table B and and select those rows from table A which matches a table B rows. Okay. SQL full join. The full join creates a result set by combining the result of both left and right join. The result set will contain all the rows from the both tables. For the rows for which there is no matching, the result set will contain a null. Okay, we can see here select student dot name, student course id from student full join student course on student course dot roll number equal to student dot roll number. तो यहाँ पर भी जो दो टेबल हमारे जो मर्ज होंगे वो बेस्ड होंगे किस पर? रोल नंबर पर ही। और रोल नंबर दोनों ही टेबल में रोल नंबर जो होंगे वो यूनिक वैल्यू वाले होंगे, मीन्स कि दोनों के जो वैल्यूज होंगे स्टूडेंट कोर्स टेबल और स्टूडेंट टेबल के वे सिमिलर होंगे, इसीलिए आपस में मर्ज होंगे। और इसमें फुल आउटर ज्वाइन में हमारे पास में जितने भी रोज होंगे वे सब आपस में मर्ज करेंगे और दोनों टेबल के ऑल रोज मर्ज होकर के हमें कंबाइंड होकर के हमें एक टेबल हमें प्रोवाइड करेंगे जिसमें दोनों टेबल ए एंड टेबल बी दोनों के डेटा वहां पर हमें एक साथ दिखेंगे। एंड SQL natural join. A natural join is a type of inner join that automatically joins two tables based on columns with the same name and data type. It returns only the rows where the values in the common column match. It returns rows where the value in these common columns are the same in both tables. Common columns appear only once in the result, even if they exist in both tables. Unlike a cross join, which creates all possible combination of rows, a natural join only includes rows with matching values. A query and simple query we can use. Select from employee, natural join department. So explanation, we can see the explanation in this query. The department column appears only one. Even though there exists both table because natural join automatically merge a common column. The results of the result combine employees details with their respective department managers. Difference between the natural and inner join. Uh, we can see a natural join automatically matches columns with the same name and data type. Inner join requires explicit join condition using on clause. In natural join includes only one copy of each common column, but inner join include both copies, which can lead to a duplicate column names. Natural join shorter and simpler, but inner join is more complex but needs a join condition to be defined. Natural join less control, but inner join full control over how tables are joined. And natural join uh, natural join when tables are common column names and you want to a quick join. When you want to join a column and use a different column name, so we can see in this slide the difference between a natural and inner join. The next is you can see a natural join, table N and table B, and common features are and common columns are selected in this join. Thank you very much for see this video.